how to fix the copy of Microsoft Office is not activated. So let's get started. Firstly, check your Microsoft Office subscription. If you purchased a Microsoft 365 subscription to get the Microsoft Office suite, you should go to Microsoft official website and log into your Microsoft account and find your order to check if your Microsoft Office subscription is expired. If the subscription has expired, you can choose to renew your Microsoft 365 subscription. After that, run the osperium.exe file. If your Microsoft Office app like Word or Excel encounters an Office activation error, you can run its activation verifier to see if it helps fix this issue. Double-click this PC to open File Explorer on your computer. Based on whether you are using a 32-bit or 64-bit version of Microsoft Office, you can navigate to the folders like C Program Files, Microsoft Office, Office X, and many more. Find the Osperium application file in this folder and right-click the Osperium application and select Run as Administrator. Repeatedly run the Osperium file several times. After that, you can open Microsoft Office apps again to see if the product activation failed issues is fixed. Lastly, if none of these work, then reset Microsoft Office settings to default. You can also try to reset Microsoft Office settings to default to see if it can help fix the product activation failed error of Microsoft Office apps. Press Windows plus S and type Office in the search box. Right-click Office app and select the App Settings option. In the pop-up window, you can click the Reset button under the Reset section to reset Microsoft Office to its default settings. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.